Cooking mad easy, yo. DW Corner. Sundays, every day of the week. Tell your friends, tell your dad, tell your mom, tell the street. DW Corner. DWcorner.com.
Well, hello friends, family, and neighbors. Welcome to DW Corner, Cooking Made Easy. I'm coming to you all today with an exciting little tool that I have. It's called the Xpress Redi Set Go Oven. And before we go any further, please hit the like and subscribe button so you'll know when I upload another video tutorial coming up. Okay, now with that said, this is one of the neatest little gadgets that hit the market in a while. It's even better than the hot air, and I love the hot air oven. But this is my number 3 tool in the kitchen, the Xpress Redi Set Go Oven. And what I like about it is quick, easy, and simple. I'm going to make a cake in this in 7 to 8 minutes. That's right, 7 to 8. Actually, it's 7 minutes, but I'm gonna go an extra minute and make it 8 minutes. And I'm just using a cake box mix. And you're gonna be amazed just how quick, easy, and simple this little oven really is. And it's multiple use. All right, I'll get back with you in a moment with the continue on the presentation. DW out.
Cooking mad easy, yo. DW Corner. Sundays, every day of the week. Tell your friends, tell your dad, tell your mom, tell the street. DW Corner.
DWcorner.com.